Good morning guys. Ayan, Monday today. So, punta kami sa Walmart. Ayun, kailangan ng bilhin mga dapat bilhin para matapos na. Ayan. Bilhin yung mga meat. May meat ng iba, pero interest. Ngayon palang bilhin para bukas na araw. Prepare na lang. So, ayan.
Motherfuckers kill tease, that motherfuckers kill tease, that motherfuckers kill tease, that motherfuckers kill tease, that motherfuckers kill tease.
So ayun guys, dahil andito na rin naman tayo, so nagbayad na tayo ng bills. Ayan, hinanap ko na sila. Magpapaprint sila ng picture ni Rebecca kasi yun ang ilalagay sa cake. So ayan, then of course mamimili na tayo. Yeah, this one. Why they don't have the other like
right there for $6.88.
$10. Kandila lang to guys para sa mosquito. Pero matagal din.
Just get a lot. I mean, they don't have to be a lot.
Oh, pick. Yeah.
So you don't need the fruit much.
They don't have this.
This is the ground floor thing.
I have this one. I have
We have one.
in the freezer, right? So, ayan, mag-order tayo ng cake. So, nag-antay kami guys ng tao. Mag-order kami ng cake. Busy pa. So, ayan, syempre nagkita sila ng kaibigan niya. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan, after this, ipupudidap namin, then punta kami Asian store. Kasi yung ibang needs is nasa Asian store. Pero, namili na rin kami na nakaraan sa Asian store, like yung spaghetti sauce, and some, like, for barbecue sauce, and everything like that. Good luck. And of course, naka-order na rin kami ng cake. Nasa $100 lang. Ayan. Kasi kasama na yung cupcake. So, ayan, nakapila na tayo guys. What you think you're doing? She wanna help, let her help. So, ayan, punta na tayo ng Asian. Ibang
Of
needs.
course, Mama's making video.
You know she's gonna delete that out, right?
Of yourself? Oh my God.
Oh, here. I can just flip that.
Oh!
So, ayan, nandito na kami. Naghanap tayo ng bagoong. Saan yung bagoong?
They don't have.
Ay, wala.
They got them.
Yeah, dito sa bagoong. Hindi, parang ano na siya. Soka.
What's that?
So, ayan, pauwi na kami. Kunti lang. Pang ano lang yun, pang yung ingredients. Pero kunti lang. Pero $100. Parang sa bagoong.
Yeah.
Bagoong? Anis!
Yeah.
It's more expensive than in Walmart. The Walmart is $300 for a lot of food. Here is just only for the ingredients. Like bagoong, suka, something like that. Skewer.
People.
Almost $100. Kaloka. Siyempre, Asian. And then, may hotdog kasi. But hindi yun ihanda ang hotdog. Pagkain ng dalawa request. And then, did we get the bread?
What bread?
The purple?
I don't know.
We did.
Oh. Okay.